your gateway to flexible living. Imagine unlocking a lifestyle where your dream home can truly move with you. Introducing the innovative double-story dwelling that redefines portable luxury and flexible living. This isn't just a tiny home, it's a meticulously engineered, fully featured residence designed for the modern adventurer, the remote worker, or anyone seeking a high-quality, scalable living solution. With impressive dimensions of 240-inch depth by 120-inch width by 96-inch height, and built from durable alloy steel, this 5,000-pound structure is a testament to robust, long-lasting construction. Despite its compact footprint, this two-story tiny house feels incredibly spacious thanks to its clever double-story design and modular construction. The moment you step inside, you'll appreciate how every inch of this prefabricated house has been maximized for comfort and function. This house comes complete with all the essentials for immediate, comfortable living. The interior layout features separate, dedicated bedrooms for privacy, a full bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen. This thoughtful integration means you don't have to compromise on the amenities you expect from a traditional home. Whether you're using it as a primary residence in a secluded location, an upscale guest house, or a functional office space, this house comes complete, ready to meet your needs. One of the most remarkable features of this home is its foldable and expandable design. This crucial innovation allows for incredibly easy transportation and rapid setup, truly delivering on the promise of mobility. And should your needs grow, the modular nature of the steel construction allows for straightforward expansion, but the functionality doesn't end there. Recognizing the needs of those embracing off-grid or remote living, this two-story tiny home incorporates integrated storage sheds. These convenient, ample spaces are perfect for organizing tools, outdoor equipment, or personal belongings, helping you maintain a clean, uncluttered living environment. This is more than just a structure. It's an investment in durability, freedom, and a refined lifestyle. It offers a secure, comfortable, potato-sized, and modern living space that can truly follow your journey wherever it leads. Embrace the cutting-edge fusion of mobility and permanent quality with this exceptional, flexible dwelling. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.